Zinco panels are roofing materials constructed from zinc alloy. While zinc itself is flammable, Zinco panels possess a class of fire rating representing the highest level of fire resistance. This classification indicates that Zinco panels are considered non-combustible and will not actively contribute to the spread of fire. However, it's crucial to understand that even with the class of rating, Zinco panels are not entirely fireproof. Under extreme heat, they can melt and ignite. The fire resistance of Zinco panels is primarily attributed to the formation of a zinc oxide layer on their surface. This layer functions as a protective barrier, inhibiting the reaction between zinc and oxygen, thus preventing ignition. Despite the class of fire rating, specific scenarios can still present fire hazards involving Zinco panels. For instance, a fire originating in a neighboring structure could spread to a building with Zinco panels, potentially causing the panels to melt and exposing the underlying roof deck to the flames. Additionally, improper installation of Zinco panels can create gaps or holes, providing entry points for fire into the building. To minimize the fire risks associated with Zinco panels, several precautions are essential. Firstly, ensure proper installation according to the manufacturer's specifications. Secondly, verify that there are no gaps or holes in the panels that could facilitate fire entry. Thirdly, maintain the panels in a clean state, free from debris that could serve as fuel for a fire. Fourthly, conduct regular inspections of the panels to identify any signs of damage or deterioration. By adhering to these precautions, the fire hazard associated with Zinco panels can be significantly reduced, contributing to the overall fire protection of your building. The 2008 National Electrical Code, or NEC, doesn't specifically address Zinco panels, but it's crucial to consider general fire safety requirements for building materials and electrical installations. For example, NEC Section 300.21 focuses on preventing the spread of fire and products of combustion. It mandates that electrical installations must not compromise the fire-resistant qualities of buildings. This means that any penetrations through fire-rated walls or ceilings must be properly sealed with fire-stopping materials. While this section doesn't directly mention Zinco panels, it emphasizes the importance of maintaining the fire resistance of the building envelope, which includes the roof. NEC Section 310.15 addresses the ampacity of conductors, and while seemingly unrelated, it connects to fire safety indirectly. Overloaded conductors can overheat and potentially cause a fire. Therefore, ensuring that conductors are properly sized and protected is crucial for preventing electrical fires that could spread to other building materials, including Zinco panels. NEC Article 330 pertains to metal-clad cable, and while Zinco panels aren't cables, the principles of protecting metal components from corrosion and ensuring proper grounding are relevant. Corrosion can weaken metal structures, making them more susceptible to fire damage. Proper grounding is essential for preventing electrical faults that could ignite nearby materials. NEC Section 410.64 covers recessed lighting fixtures and their installation. These fixtures can generate heat, and if not properly installed with adequate clearance from combustible materials, they can pose a fire hazard. When installing recessed lighting near Zinco panels, it's important to ensure that the fixtures are rated for the application and that they are installed with sufficient spacing to prevent overheating of the panels. NEC Article 500 addresses hazardous locations, and while unlikely, if a building with Zinco panels is located in a hazardous area, such as a chemical plant, additional fire safety measures may be required. These measures could include using explosion-proof electrical equipment and implementing strict fire prevention protocols. NEC Section 600.9 discusses the installation of signs and outline lighting. These systems often involve electrical components and wiring, and it's crucial to ensure that they are installed in accordance with the NEC to prevent electrical fires. When installing signs on Zinco panels, it's important to use appropriate mounting hardware and to ensure that the wiring is properly protected. NEC Article 690 pertains to solar photovoltaic systems. If solar panels are installed on a roof with Zinco panels, it's crucial to ensure that the installation complies with the NEC and other relevant fire safety codes. Solar panels can generate significant heat, and it's important to ensure that the roofing materials are able to withstand the heat without posing a fire hazard. NEC Section 700.12 covers emergency systems. Emergency lighting and power systems are designed to operate during power outages and are crucial for ensuring the safety of occupants. These systems must be installed in accordance with the NEC to ensure that they are reliable and do not pose a fire hazard. NEC Section 760.41 addresses fire alarm systems. Fire alarm systems are essential for detecting fires early and alerting occupants. These systems must be installed in accordance with the NEC to ensure that they are reliable and effective. When installing fire alarm devices near Zinco panels, it's important to ensure that they are properly protected from the elements. In summary, while the 2008 NEC doesn't explicitly address Zinco panels, it provides a framework for ensuring fire safety in buildings. By adhering to the NEC requirements for electrical installations and fire prevention, you can minimize the fire hazards associated with Zinco panels and protect your building from fire. Remember to consult with qualified electricians and fire safety professionals to ensure that your building complies with all applicable codes and standards.